Hello there, beauties. Thank you for tuning into another video with your host, aka me, JudiciousJade. So let's dive right into this protein treatment. But first, let me give you guys some knowledge on everything I know about protein for the hair. So hair is made of proteins, aka keratin. With that being said, each strand requires an adequate dose of protein in order to grow. Applying a topical protein treatment will help to strengthen your hair shaft, making it durable and healthy, and you know what that means. Yes, growth. Now, when keratin is absent, of course, hair strands are very prone to breakage. So if you are experiencing damaged hair or breakage, you may need to get a protein treatment. FYI, it is also important to have a diet rich in protein, not always meat, to boost hair growth. And also remember that if your hair is not nourished from within, meaning eating properly, these products can only do so much for you. I will be using the popular Aphogee 2-step protein treatment and balancing moisturizer. Everyone loves this product and it has excellent reviews. I will link them in the description box below. Now, I did shampoo and condition my hair already and I'm ready to start my treatment. Now I'm going to do a close-up on my hair so you guys can, of course, see my curls close up. Now, I don't have severely damaged hair, but I do a protein treatment once a month to make sure my hair is always healthy because I'm trying to grow it waist length. So I am documenting my entire journey. So if you want to see that, subscribe to my channel. I will warn you guys that this 2-step protein treatment is very sticky and does not smell good at all. So make sure to wear a towel or something. But it does wonders for your hair, so don't be fooled. I section my hair into 4 sections just because sectioning is always a go-to for natural hair. I am going to apply the product quickly throughout my hair because you don't want it to dry on you. And I'm doing it with my fingers, but you can use gloves, all up to you. Also, be sure to get your edges and your kitchen.
Yeah, feel like I fail. Feel like it's gone. I get it high every time you come around. I choose it, you choose it. We both single tonight, girl. We should just do this. You got what I like. We kissing and we touching. The mood is set right. Turn this into something. I wanted you with it. It's not like just live it. Girl, it's cuffing season. And I feel like, yeah, I feel like I feel. Feel like I feel. Girl, it's cuffing season. And I feel like, yeah, I feel like I feel. Feel like I feel. Feel like I feel. Single tonight, girl, we should just do this. I'm chosen, you chosen. We both single tonight, girl, we should just do this. You got what I like, girl, it's cuffing season. And I feel like, yeah, I feel like I feel. Feel like I feel. Girl, it's cuffing season.
After you are done, don't touch or do anything to your hair. Just sit under the dryer for about 20 to 25 minutes. I am using my pop-up hooded dryer. It is the Golden Hot 1200, and this is an excellent investment. While under the dryer, your hair will get very hard and it will feel very crunchy. Don't be alarmed. This is good. It means that it's working. After you are done, it is time to rinse it out. Make sure to rinse all, I repeat, all of the protein treatment out. Lastly, you are going to use the Aphogee Balancing Moisturizer and leave it in your hair for about 2 minutes and rinse it out. This is how my hair looks afterwards. To me, it feels extremely soft, but it looks frizzy. But, of course, I have a remedy to revive it. Y'all know me. I am going to use this Infusium leave-in conditioner and spray it all throughout my hair and oil my scalp. Then I'm going to use the Cantu conditioner. After you are finished with the entire protein treatment, you can do a deep condition, but that is solely if you believe you need one. I did my deep condition overnight the night before I did this protein treatment, so I won't do one again. But you should notice your hair is very soft, bouncy, and strong, and once you apply your products, your hair will be very receptive like mine is right here. If you want longer, stronger, durable, and healthy hair, look, I got you. Subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Peace.